Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tejas Joshi. So today we are going to solve question paper of maths. Sorry for delaying in this question paper. So let us start off with our section A, which is why are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 called triangular numbers? The answer is going to appear on the screen and I am going to say it as well. The numbers 1, 3, 10, 15 are called triangular numbers because they can be represented by triangular arrangement of dots. It can be that in the screen the wordings would be some different. You can write any of them, they both are correct. Second is find the sum of 10 consecutive odd numbers. The answer is 100. Here we have taken the first 10 consecutive odds. Next is there are dash 2-digit numbers. How many? So the correct answer is 92 digit numbers. And if they will ask there are dash 3-digit numbers, your answer will be 900. If they'll ask 4-digit numbers, your answer will be 9000. Like that. Fourth one is what is the smallest 2-digit numbers whose sum is 14? So it is 59. Here I have not written this, but 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Fine? Can you see it? Next is the pattern 1, 4, 9, 16, 5 is called dash numbers. The correct answer is square numbers. So 1 is a square of 1. So how is it done? Like 1 into 1 is 1's square. 2 into 2 is 2's square. 3 into 3 is 3's square, which is 9, and 4 into 4 like that. Next is in which year we can reuse the calendar of 2022. Options are 2028, second is 2033, next is 2030, next is never. Means we can never use the calendar. The correct answer is 2033. That means 2030. Next is question 7, which is half revolution is equal to 180 degrees. Have you seen a complete circle? Like this one. See this. Can you see it? It's a bit transparent, so it would be hard for you to see it, but yeah. Is it magnifying it? No. So, see. Here, it is a complete circle. Fine, just remove this. It is a complete circle. Can you see it? But if we split it in half, that means a semicircle. It would be a half revolution. Fine, for example, this is Earth, like this, the top one, and it is moving like this. It moved, and finally when it reached here, fine, two different sides. From here it started and now it's here. It is basically it's half revolution. It's not actually revolution, it's called rotation. But revolution is the same, just in bigger area. Like the earth moves like this in it, but right now I'm showing you like that, which is rotation. So let's not talk about science right now. So it have reached half of it. So it have covered half revolution. Fine. And when it will come back to its position, it have completed a whole revolution. So when it is in this position, it is in 180 degree position. Fine, this like that, 180 degree position. Fine, let us keep this aside now. Next is what are the next two numbers in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 are. So this number sequence is called Viranka's number. See, let me show you how it works. Can you see it? 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now what would be 5 plus 8? It is 13. Next is 8 plus 13. It would be 21. Next is if there is Sunday on 1st September 2025, what will be the day on 1st September 2026? Means a year later. So here we are not having any leap year in between. So the day will be Monday. Next is, if you start with the number 2 and keep adding 2, what sequence are you creating? For example, I have the number 2 right now. I am adding 2. So it would be 4. Then I am adding 2. Then it would be 6. Can you see my 6? Yes. Then I am adding 2. It would be 8. Fine? Like that. So we are creating even numbers. Even numbers. Next is, when data visualizations such as bar graphs are further beautified with more extensive artistic and visual imaginary, they are called infographics. Basically, they are more modified and more beautiful and artistic form of bar graphs. Fine. Next is, can you fill a supercell table without repeating numbers such as there are no supercells? Why or why not? So the answer is going to appear on your screen and I am going to say it. The answer is no. It is not possible to fill a supercell table without repeating number such that there are no supercell, as there are two cases. Case 1. If we fill this cell in descending order, then the first cell will be supercell. Case 2. If we fill the cell in ascending order, then the last cell will be supercell. If we don't follow any order, then then there will at least be one supercell. Did you understand? Fine. Next is, find out the digit sum of all the numbers from 40 to 50. See, so I'm going to say the numbers. First is 40. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 41. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 42. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 43. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 44. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 45. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 46. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 47. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 48. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 49. 4 plus 9 equals 30. Last is 50. 5 plus 0 equals 5. They were the answers. Next is, the hands of a clock made different angles at different times. Write the angle at 3 o'clock and at 6 o'clock. See, here the question is saying that there is a clock. We all have clocks. So, in it, what angle would be at 3 o'clock and what angle would be at 6 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, the angle would be 90 degree, and at 6 o'clock, the angle would be 180 degrees. Like we studied here, half revolution is equal to 180 degrees. Fine. Next is, the number dash is called Kaplikar constant. So the number 6174 is called Kaplikar constant. Next is, what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash plus 99 plus 100 plus 99 plus dash plus 3 plus 2 plus 1? So the answer is going to appear on the screen and I am saying it here. Here are two series. Series 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 till 100. Series 2 is starting from 99 plus 98 plus 97 dash 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 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So sum of series. So that would be S equals n bracket start n plus 1 bracket close upon 2. Here n we are saying 100. So it would be series 1 equal to 100 into n1. So both the numbers are 100. So n plus 1 equals 101. So it would be series 1 equal to 100 into 101 upon 2. So it would be 100 and 2 would divide and number would be left by 50. So it would be 50 into 101. It would be 550. In series 2, it would be 900 into 100 upon 2. Here, basically the formula is still the same. So here n is 99. So the number is S2 equal to 99 into 100 upon 2. So now 2 is again divided by 100. So it would be 99 into 50. So S2 equal to 4950, which is, so now this series equals to S1 plus S2, which is series 1 plus series 2, which is 5050 plus 4950. The answer would be 10,000. It wasn't in the question, but hope that when the answer will appear on the screen, so you can read it again and again and understand it. Next question is, check if the Collat's conjecture holds for the starting number 30. It would be a very long process, so the answer will appear on the screen, but I am telling you that yes, it does work. And when you be writing the answer of this question, please don't forget to do the whole question. Like, don't only write there yes, it does work. Just either you do it in your rough work section, but no, don't do it there. Just do it in your paper and solve it whole, then write. Next is write tally marks for 23. So it would be 4 lines, then cross, 4 lines, then cross. So it would be 10. When we will repeat this process again, so it would be 20 plus 3 lines. Fine. Next is make the largest and smallest 4-digit number using digits 8, 2, 4 and 5. So the greatest number will be 8, 5, 4 and 2. That means 8542. Next is smallest number would be 2458. Last is of this section, it is write any two palindromic numbers. So the first one is 1991. It would be read as 1991 and it would be read as 1991 from both the sides. Second is 24,542. From both the sides it said 24542. 24542. Moving on to our section B. First question is, write the next 3 numbers in each sequence. After each sequence, write in your own words what is the rule for forming the numbers in the sequence. See, so your first one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 30. So here we can see that the pattern is odd numbers. So the next 3 numbers would be 15, 17 and 19. Next is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. The next 3 numbers will be 36, 45 and 55. They are triangular numbers. Next is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Next 3 numbers will be 128, 256 and 512. So they are into 2. Each number is into 2. Next is, what happens when you multiply the triangular numbers by 6 and add 1? Which sequence do you get? Can you explain it with a picture? So, here we are having triangular numbers here. I can show you example by writing it here. See, first we are taking the number 3 into 6 plus 1. 3 into 6 equals 18 and plus 1 equals 19. So, 19 dots, right? It is showing us the pattern of hexagonal numbers. See, see, fine. See, here I have drawn the figure, fine. Next is, estimate the answer number of times you blink your eyes in 1 minute. So, we have to estimate the answers. So, in your examination hall, don't count the times you blink. So, it would be 20 per minute, approximately, not correct, huh? Next is, in an hour, it would be, if you multiply it by 60, then the answer would be 1200, means 1200 per hour. Next is, in a day, we have to multiply this in 24, means 12,000 in 24. The answer would be 19,200 per day. Fine. Next is, name the line segments in figure. Which of the 5 marked points are on exactly one of the line segments? which are on two of the line segments. So we have to turn the page because the figure is in straight here. So I have written the ones who are in single line segments. I am going to explain it. See, L plus M. Fine. This is one line segment. M and P. This is second. P and Q. Then Q and R. So here L is only coming first. There is no line such as L and R, L and P, L and Q. Right? And Q is coming. And R is coming single. Like RP, no. RM, no. RL, no. Only R and Q. Fine. So single line segments are L and R, and double line segments are M, P and Q. Next is draw a rough figure and write labels approximately to illustrate each of the following. In this, we have drawn an acute angle. You can also draw obtuse angle and right angle. Basically, the points where two lines meet. The figure would kind of look like this. Like, you see? Yes, like this. This would be point O. This would be point Q. And here would be point P. So, we can say it that this is OQ and OP. Fine. So, basically, this is an example of ray. Next is point P lies on A and B. So basically, if there is one line named as this point is point A, this point is point B. Here in the middle would be point P. So basically, point P lies between point A and B. Next is line L contains point E and F, but not D. So there is a line which contains point E and F, but point D is over here. If here is point D, so how can line I contain point D? Fine, so you just have to draw a figure like that. A line and point D away from it.